Alright, welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a great day. Alright, I got some drift tires on here. I think these are like Acceleras, 5Rs. What are they? I think like 195s. Doesn't really matter. I got my good tires in the front though, so we'll see. I think it'll be alright. It's like 35 degrees outside. It's pretty cold. Oh! But I'm running to the store to pick up a birthday present for my brother-in-law. We share the same birthday, so it's my birthday today too. So don't forget to wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Haven't driven this in 2 weeks, I think. We got that big snowstorm here, so right before that hit, I put the cover on it. I got batteries in that door making a bunch of noise. Oh man. A little rusty. But yeah, we're gonna stop by a spot. I'm gonna do a few more donuts. Birthday donuts. Hopefully the car doesn't just fold on itself. Maybe doing more donuts will fix the alignment. I usually do donuts going this way, going left, so I'll see. Maybe I'll try doing them going to the right, and maybe that'll fix the alignment. I doubt it, but you know, might as well give it a shot, you know. I'll drop it off. I'll get an alignment. Oh no, this is disgusting. Where is this guy going, bro? Alright, let's see. Can I still downshift? Yeah. Nope. Butter. Heel toe. I could use a little bit of work. The shifter's like an ice cube right now. Need to warm it up. I was looking for my racing gloves just for that. Oh man, that hood rattle is it's quite annoying. This car was in I think a few front end accidents. All of them were deer. Whoa, that was a big old bump. Almost caught air. Alright, we made it to the spot. I'll see if I can just... No clutch kicks or anything, just... Oh, understeer, a bunch of understeer. For it! Low steer. Not bad, not bad. That's pretty sloppy. See, I think the alignment's fixed now. Alright, onwards to the store we go. Anybody making a right here? Nope, good. Can't wait to go to Tail the Dragon this summer. That'll be a good time. I'm not sure if I'll change the tires or I'll just keep running the Yokohamas. Oh boy! What was that smoke? Just floored it. Nice little 435. boy. Probably salvage. I think that'll be fine. Oh my goodness, I'm just getting pelted. There's probably a bunch of salt still on the roads. I really wanted to drive the Miata. Oh, what is that? Fudge! Oh, that was like a whole hub. That was so rough. Let me check. I mean, I think it's fine, but that's a rim cracker right there. That is a rim cracker. Come on, man. Oh, that was painful. I think it was better that I ran it over instead of just going to the through the middle of it, because then it probably could have messed up something else pretty bad. Golly. Golly. I don't know if it popped that out. Oh my goodness. I think it's fine. Oh, yeah. Definitely bent the rim. Look at that. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, that's bent. Pain. Oh, that's unfortunate. I do want to get new rims for this, but I was planning on selling these and getting the other ones. Man, I was like so close to dodging it too. I just didn't know if there was a car to my left. I didn't want to, total my car trying to avoid a little bit of damage. Man, now I gotta think. I don't know if it's a good idea to drive with the rim a little bent like that. I think it'll be okay, but I don't want to take a hard turn or something and have it DB'd. I don't know if that's a reasonable worry, but very unfortunate. At least I got it on video. Whatever. That was a nice little gift right there. Yeah, that was a whole spacer, I think. I think that was a spacer with lugs on it. This guy pulling a U-turn. That guy is. Would the rim have cracked if I ran it over like in the middle of the wheel? Maybe. I just hit it on the edge. That pushed it, but turn green, yeah. This thing feels good though. Little bump. Nice little heel toe action. Alright, well, we made it to the store. I'm gonna go shop, sadly, because I just messed up my rim. Yeah, let's park right here. Oh, well, hopefully this day doesn't get any worse than it already is going. But, yeah, we'll see. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that little clip. I'll try to post a little bit more. But y'all take care. Peace.